Alright you guys, it's me Sid, I'm back. I knew you couldn't hear me in the previous video, I apologize for that, but oh well. You can still see the code even though you can't hear me, okay? You're not blind. So, yeah. But, in this video, I'm going to be doing some just coding things, just some things you just should know. So I'm gonna give us a prompt basically. I'm gonna type it out here on the screen. I'm using the JGrasp IDE, that's what it's called. Yeah, JGrasp. And what's cool about it is it actually shows when the code is running what it looks like. IntelliJ is still better because if like you make a mistake, it's better at pointing them out for you. But if you know what you're coding, just something simple, this is good. So yeah. So I'm making here a public class interest. Oh, shoot, I forgot to tell you what the prompt is. The prompt, here, I'll type it out in these comments, is basically where we have to calculate, not calculate, sorry, I forgot what it was. Okay, so, okay, so, not calculate, let me just say it. It's easier if I tell you. You're basically, you have $200 in your bank account, and you're adding 10% interest every year, and the question is, how many years is it going to take for you to make at least $1,000? All right. So let me show you how I would do it. So make a public class interest, and then of course you need the main method. So public static void main string args, just like that. You got your main method. Let's put two curly braces. So, all right. Let's get some code added in here. So what we're going to add is we want some things to keep track of course, our loops and stuff. So let's go ahead and make double money, which is the amount of money we have in our bank account, and let's set it equal to 200.0. That's our starting value given $200. And basically we also want to keep track of the years, so we'll say int years is equal to 0. Okay, now we got that out of the way. Now we're going to go ahead and write a loop, which basically says while, I'm going to do this while the money is less than 1,000, because you want at least $1,000. While money is less than 1,000, then inside that loop, we're going to say money, and then there's a 10% interest added per year. So we can say money times equals 1.1. And then the years increments by 1. All right, just like so. So you get 10% interest, then the year increments. Don't increment the year first. That's wrong. Okay, now you got that out of the way. So let's see. And let me make a closing bracket to end the while loop. Then here we can just print out. We can do system.out.print the number of years. This is the number of years it'll take for us to have at least $1,000. Let's go ahead and run this. See how it goes. Just click this button. Okay. Now there is a button, which you guys can't see, but I can show it to y'all. Let me change my viewing to this. Where we basically play the code from here. So if you hit this play button right here, hit play, and then it'll basically show y'all actually what the code looks like. So it's pretty interesting. I like that. And then you see the code running right here. So it's a 9. It's gonna take you more than 11 years, and this is showing y'all how the money is changing, how the number of years is changing. So 14, 15, 16, 17, and then in 17 years, okay, let's say while money, so this way we make at least $1,000. You can run it once more, see how it goes. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's how y'all do it. Now we're going to be doing another project. Basically, let me basically explain it to y'all. Let me erase this code. The project is basically this. What I want us to do now, this is a pretty simple one, is I want us to actually, let me bring that back actually. Bring that code back. Save this here. Let's make a file new Java. Okay, and then we'll do a file save as. Just make a new file and then call it sum Java. Okay, and here we're gonna make a public class sum. Okay, just like so. And I want to sum every, or actually not sum the first 10 multiples of 4. This is what I want us to do. So how do we do it? Let's make our main method. Public static void main string dollars. I'm gonna do that. Okay. And then we'll close that off with the curly brace. And then we can make a loop. It could say for int I is equal to, actually we're gonna start at 4, so while int I, so for int I is equal to 4, while I is less than or equal to 40, because that's the 10th multiple. 4 times 10 is 40, and then we increment I by 4, so I plus equals 4. Okay, there's our for loop. Now I actually also want to do another thing. What I want to do is, let's say int k right here plus equals, actually let's say, yeah, int k plus equals I. So this should add up the numbers together. Close the for loop, like right here, and then system.out.print k. See if that works. Up here, int k plus equal to that. Okay, let me see the problem. Let's do this. Let's declare it somewhere else. Let's declare it here. Okay, there we go. Let's try that. Okay. Variable k might not have been initialized. Oh, I see. Let's say k to 0. There we go. And then run that. Alright, we get 220. So that works. Alright. So yeah, those are just 2 basic Java programs. And yeah. So if you do want to see though any of the coding back questions I did, then just let me know. Anyway, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching.